Better Woman here. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Please subscribe, click the notification button and leave a comment on things that you would like to see for the coming videos. We're back with another Christmas decor item. This time we're going to emulate and be reminded of the Bethlehem star that moved and stood still over Jesus's birthplace. All right, so what we're going to do for this project is you're going to need just simple slats. It can be any length. Mine is a little on the short side, but it would look nice with a longer one. And we're going to arrange this into a star. We're also going to tie it with ribbons. We're going to drill holes in the ends and have a nice ribbon to tie it all up. All right, let's first do the arrangement of this star. So we got 5 little slats here, and the plan is to just cross it over like that, go across. Okay, I'm going to move that a little bit like that, and then have this and that come close in. Rearrange and shift it a bit just to fit the arrangement. So the idea now is to drill holes in each one of these. All right, so let's get to it. For 5 slats, and we just need to sand where the blowout was on the back just a little bit, and then now we can assemble. Okay. All right, after tying all the little pieces together, it's important that you also interweave the slat so it doesn't really move. I've made a knot here and a knot on the top so that you're able to hang it up like this on a window or anywhere where you feel you want to display some Christmas spirit. And that's easy as that. A Merry Christmas to you from Kubeta Woman and the whole KW team, with love always.